Good morning friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will be telling you how to assign a static IP address to your machine and using commands and using graphical mode. So firstly I will be telling you the command to assign an IP address, static IP address to your machine. So I am here in the command prompt, and firstly I will show you that I am which all Ethernet cards I am having and what all configurations they are having right now. Alright, so this is the command to show you the Ethernet cards of your machine and what all the configuration they are having right now. So the command is netsh space interface space IPv4 space show space config. This command will show you that your Ethernet card name, and right now it is having Ethernet 0. It is having the name Ethernet 0, and it is having a static IP address of 192.168.1.123. It is having a subnet of 24, that is 255.255.255.0. It is having a default gateway of 1.1 and a DNS entry of 8.8.8.8. So I will tell you how to change assign a new IP address configuration to your machine. So here is the command. Alright, so this is the command netsh space interface space IPv4 space set space address space name equals to your Ethernet card name here, that is Ethernet 0 space static static space your IP, the IP you want to assign to your machine, then the default gateway, then the now the IP address, your subnet mask, then the default gateway. So if you open your network connections by pressing window R and typing ncpa.cpl, your Ethernet network connections, and here you select your Ethernet card, double click on it, and then just click on properties, click on IPv4 if you are using IPv4, double click on it, and you are just open with it. So this is your current configuration. You are having the IP 192.168.1.213, this one, your subnet mask, this one, and your default gateway, this one, and your DNS entry, this one. So I am changing these three values, that is IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. My IP address for the new configuration will be 1.4 here, and then your subnet mask will be 255.255.0.0 here, and the default gateway address will be 192.168.1.2. and this command is not going to change your DNS entry. For to change your DNS entry you have a different command, and I will tell that one later. So if I again come to my command prompt, and when I press enter, yes, then now you can close all these wizards, and again you can open them. Alright, double click on Ethernet card and properties and IPv4. Alright, now you can see that I have been assigned 1.4 as your IP address, 255.255.0.0 as your subnet mask, and 1.2 as your default gateway, but your DNS entry has not got changed. So to change your DNS entry, you are having the command alright, this is your command. I just press entered. just close all these wizards from here. It is taking time. Alright, so my command has successfully completed. Now I can see, I just open it, my Ethernet card, then properties, then on IPv4. Now you can see that I have been assigned a new DNS entry of 1.2 using this command, netsh space interface space IPv4 space set space DNS space name equals to your Ethernet card name and space static space your DNS entry. Alright, so you can see here I had put the wrong name. Actually my Ethernet card name was Ethernet 0, but it had accepted that one, but I prefer not to do this kind of mistake. You just always use proper names, like my Ethernet card proper name was Ethernet 0. So alright, this was my mistake. I am sorry on behalf of that. Alright, so now you can close all these wizards. So I think you had understood. You can change your assign your new IP addresses and DNS from going to network connections and selecting your Ethernet card, and also using commands. So these were those two commands. This was the first one and this was the second one to set the DNS, and this was to set the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.